Welcome this video titled Transforming Your Outdoor Space Low Maintenance Landscape Gardening Idea. Introducing Create a Beautiful and Uninvited Outdoor Space do not have to be a time consuming and letter intensive task. With the right low maintenance landscape gardening idea, you can design a stream gardening the request minimize effect to upkeep, say goodbye to endly hard or off week and grooming and hello to a sane and hassle free outdoor retreat. Here are some inspired ideas to help you transforming your gardening into a low main interest. Have choose don't tolerant plan. Other of plan then requires in your claimed with minimize water requirement, drought tolerance plan such as succulents and urinate guard not only at various material but also read the need of constant watering. This not only survey time but also promoting water constantly. Create, define, part away. A well designed part away not only add structure to your gardening but also maximize the need of request main interest use double material such as regular store or to create define part away. This not only the growing to off weight between plants but also allow of easy account and girls. Create outdoor living space. Design area of outdoor living to read the amount of green space that need constant aspect incorporating effect like patio doing or growing setting area with meaning plants not this not only add functional to your gardening but also reduce the overall main interest workload. Minimizes load size. Consider reduce the size of your loin or replace it with low main interest fact like groups cover or original glass. This not only cut down